Hello and welcome to a brand new video on our channel. If this is your first time watching us, our mission is simple: to bring you smart solutions through practical tips and products that truly add value and improve your lifestyle. So, if you find this content useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel to get even more, and don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I've got an amazing product for you today. The HANDYSPRING Smart Water Bottle, 26 ounces. This bottle is designed for people who struggle to drink enough water regularly. You might think it's not a big deal, but forgetting to stay hydrated can actually be very serious. Why water is essential. Water is life itself, and it offers countless benefits to your body. Keeps you hydrated while boosting energy and focus. Helps balance body fluids, supporting brain function and reducing fatigue. Improves digestion and kidney health by easing food breakdown, preventing constipation, and lowering the risk of kidney stones. Enhances skin health by maintaining elasticity and hydration, reducing dryness and dullness. And so much more. Daily water needs. Adult men, around 3.7 liters, 13 cups, per day. Adult women, around 2.7 liters, 9 cups, per day. But here's the problem. Even if you know how much water you should drink, it's easy to forget how many cups you've already had. That's where the HANDYSPRING Smart Water Bottle comes in. It features a built-in smart sensor that tracks every sip you take and syncs with the Hydrate Spark app, giving you real-time updates on your daily progress. This reminder system is crucial because losing track of your water intake often leads to drinking less than you actually need. Other problems solved. Tired of spills at the office or on the go. Ordinary bottles leak easily inside bags or on desks. This smart bottle is 100% leak-proof, with a secure lockable lid, perfect for work, travel, or everyday use. Key features: made from premium, BPA-free Tritan plastic, safe and durable. 26 ounces, 750 milliliters capacity, perfect for a full day of hydration. Rechargeable battery that lasts several days with quick USB charging. Sleek, modern design that combines technology with everyday comfort. If you're serious about staying healthy, energized, and hydrated, this bottle is a game changer. I've left the product link for you in the description. Other problems solved. Tired of spills at the office or on the go? Ordinary bottles leak easily inside bags or on desks. This smart bottle is 100% leak-proof, with a secure lockable lid, perfect for work, travel, or everyday use. Key features: made from premium, BPA-free Tritan plastic, safe and durable. 26 ounces, 750 milliliters, capacity, perfect for a full day of hydration. Rechargeable battery that lasts several days with quick USB charging. Sleek, modern design that combines technology with everyday comfort. If you're serious about staying healthy, energized, and hydrated, this bottle is a game changer. I've left the product link for you in the description. Nothing causes more stress than forgetting your keys or constantly worrying about your home security. How many times have you been stuck outside because you lost your keys? And how many times have you left home wondering, did I really lock the door? With rising security concerns and the growing need for convenience in our daily lives, the smart lock has become the ultimate solution for modern homes. The Fingerprint and app-controlled smart lock solves these problems with ease. Keyless entry. Your fingerprint or a simple PIN code opens the door instantly. No more hassle with keys. Advanced security. Auto-lock technology ensures you never forget, while instant alerts on your phone keep you updated on who entered and when. Remote access. Unlock the door for family or guests, even if you're miles away. Sleek modern design adds a touch of innovation and elegance to your home while enhancing its value. And that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button to support us and keep us going. Share in the comments the challenges you're facing, and I'll make sure to bring you practical solutions in the next videos. And remember, my friend, no matter how many times you stumble, never forget, I'm your brother Adam, always here for you. More, 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 more.